Thutha wa kiharo kia ndege kia Isiolo gukorwo kihingitwo kwa ihinda kumana na uthondeki uria urathiaga na mbere riu utungata ucio ni ugukorwo gicokereria ica ikuhi. Riboti ino irekereirio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ukui kuria aratongoretie ruhonge rwa ndege na rwa ukui guthurima uria gikoretwo gigithondekwo kuria arakorirwo akihura muhuri kurikiriria gwakio.
Isiolo town has been identified as a critical node in the Kenyan landscape because it literally sits in right at the center of our nation, and I think you all know that in the 2030 development plan, this is one of those mega metropolitan centers that the government has decided to promote.
Kurigana na Professor Muringa, kiharo giki na kiria kirathondekirwo na muigana wa ciringi bilioni 2.7 ni umwe wa mutaratara wa gukinyaniria kioneki kia mwaka wa 2030 thiini wa kaunti ya Isiolo kuria kina uhoti wa guikarwo ni andu 350 oro mwaka.
We wanted to come in here and appreciate where the 2.7 billion shillings has been put in, and we've seen clearly a modern state-of-the-art terminal. We've seen a very good administration area. We've seen runways and aprons that are done to the best international standards.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiri munene wa ruhonge rwa ndege John Anderson augite hatire nganja kiharo kiu ni gigukuhota kurehe uthii wa nambere mwena wa Isiolo na kaunti iria ihakaine.
Being able to open and be part of building this kind of infrastructure in this county that will affect all of the 7 counties around here, it's a great honor for me.
Kwa ihinda riri kambuni ya ndege ya Fly 540 nirikitie kwigwatira tigiti wa kunyita itemi kiharo-ini kiu na kiria kwina mwihoko mutongoria wa bururi aya gugathie gukiruguria gitanambiririo tungata wakio.